Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be going over the Claude dispatch tool, why it's so powerful, and how you can use Claude from your phone. We're going to take it super slow, super easy, so you can follow along and get set up. So all you have to do is you got to open up Claude. If you haven't used Claude before, you're going to need the Pro version in order to use this dispatch tool. There is phase rollouts, and so if you have the free version, it may not have been rolled out to you yet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to dispatch, and we're going to see here that it's used to check in from anywhere, task load in the session. Your phone is like a walkie-talkie to communicate. Just send Claude a message and it will work on task using your computer. Claude can also run on a task schedule whenever you need. Remember to keep your computer awake so you can keep working. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is your phone. And so I'm actually going to go and I'm actually going to record this on my phone so that you can see what I'm seeing. And basically, I'm going to go to my camera. I'm going to scroll over here and I'm going to open this up in Chrome. And it's going to take me to here. And I'm going to update Claude. So it may ask you to update it in order to use it properly. Once it's updated, I'm going to select it and I'm going to go to the sidebar menu and I'm going to select dispatch. And then now with dispatch, I can say that I'm signed in on my phone. And so now it says another device is connected right now. But what I can do, currently running on my Mac Mini, but I'm going to disconnect it. And so I can connect it here on my Mac just for this. I'm just going to type hello. And the first thing that you're going to see here is that it is going to connect to my Mac here and just take a little bit of time to load, but I'm just going to stop here and I'm going to select hello. And what it's going to do is it's going to message Claude, and you can also allow browser actions so you can have Claude do things. I'm going to reopen it just because we reconnected, but I'm just going to say, go to dispatch. And I'm going to say hello. And it looks like we're all connected here. So to show the power of dispatch, I'm just going to ask it to create a folder on my computer with a poem in it. Hey, Claude, I'd like you to create a folder on my laptop and just put a simple poem in it. The power of this is that you can be walking around and you can have Claude on your laptop doing work while you are just sitting around. You can edit code. If you have things like code projects, so I'll pull up here my Finder and I go to projects, right? My projects, and I can see I have things like AI workshops. I could have it work on code bases like this, my Maker's Lounge app. We have the web app here with all the data. We can have Claude working on that as well. And you can see that it is loading now and it's going to do this. I'm just going to go to the folder now and I'm going to go to my documents and you could see it created this and it created the Morning Light poem. And so what is going to happen now is you can be able to use Claude from your computer and it's going to be super powerful. So I hope you liked it. If you like this, please subscribe. It helps us grow this community and I'll see you in the next one.